Good morning students and welcome back to your chemistry lecture. So in this chapter, that is structure of atoms, we are seeing about the different types of structure of atoms, and also we have learned about the electronic configurations of first 20 elements that particularly we have drawn here. I hope you prepared that all. Yes. So again we have seen about the valency and valence electron, and again how the atomic number and atomic mass number we can write in case of atom. That also we have learned. In this manner we can write here. If suppose this is atom, then we can write, we have to write here Z and here A. A to Z. A means atomic mass and Z means atomic number. Atomic mass should be at the top of the atom, and atomic mass should be at the top of atom, and atomic number should be at the bottom of the atom. Okay. So example, sodium 11 and 23. So this is one of the example. This type of atomic mass and atomic number writing also we have learned in our previous lecture. So here in this lecture we will cover the topic of isotopes, means what is mean by isotope, that we will learn here. Again after that what is mean by isobar, that also we will learn. So first write down this definition. What is mean by isotope? So we will see what is mean by isotopes. That is the atoms of elements when have same atomic number, but different mass number, then these are called isotopes. मतलब कोई भी एटम्स के पास, अलग अलग एटम्स के पास यदि एटॉमिक नंबर सेम है, मतलब नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स और नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स सेम है, बट एटॉमिक मास नंबर यदि डिफरेंट है तो वो क्या होते हैं? आइसोटोप्स होते हैं. ओके. सो we will see in this chart example of isotopes. So hydrogen atom is having 3 isotopes, oxygen also having 3 isotopes, carbon atom is also having 3 isotopes, nitrogen is having isotope, sulfur is having isotope, and again very important, uranium, radioactive element, that also having isotopes. Many atoms are having isotope. So what is mean by isotope? These isotopes are having atomic number same, but mass number is different. Means atomic mass is different and atomic number is same here in case of that isotope. So hydrogen show 3 isotopes. Which are that? First is hydrogen, second is deuterium, and third one is tritium. These 3 atoms are of isotopes of hydrogen. These 3 are isotopes of hydrogen. So what is the formula of hydrogen? We know that H, capital H, and atomic number is 1, atomic mass number is 1 also here. Means atomic mass is 1, atomic number is 1. Here neutron is not present at the nucleus. Okay, in case of hydrogen only. Now the second isotope, it is the form of hydrogen only. So deuterium is the first isotope of hydrogen. That is atomic number is same as like hydrogen, but the mass number is 2 here. Mass number is 2. That means here number of protons in case of hydrogen is equal. Number of protons in case of deuterium is also equal. But in case of hydrogen, 0 neutron, means there is absence of neutron. No neutron is present at the nucleus of hydrogen atom. But in case of deuterium, one neutron is present in the nucleus. So that one proton plus one neutron, atomic mass, what is atomic mass? It is centered, it is concentrated at the center of atom, we have seen, inside the nucleus. What is inside the nucleus? Proton plus neutron. So here in case of hydrogen, as there is no neutron, only one proton is present, that's why atomic mass is only 1. But in case of deuterium, atomic mass is 2. Here one neutron is present in the nucleus, again along with one proton. Along with one proton, one neutron is present, that's why atomic mass is 2. Proton plus neutron. Again in case of tritium, atomic number is same as hydrogen. As they are isotopes, atomic number should be same, but the mass number are different here. So here in case of tritium, mass number is 3. So here 3 is the atomic mass, that's why proton is number of proton is fixed, because atomic number is same. As the atomic number is same, number of protons are fixed here, that is 1. But along with that one proton, 2 neutrons are present in the nucleus of tritium. And so that tritium is the second isotope of hydrogen. First is deuterium, second is tritium. So this is the atomic mass of hydrogen, deuterium and tritium. Here we can see number of protons are same, means atomic number is same here 1, that is number of protons as well number of electrons. So here we can say hydrogen is having 2 isotopes, that is one is deuterium and second is tritium. It's having atomic number same, that is 1, and mass number is different, that is 1, 2 and 3. So what difference we can see here? Number of protons and number of electrons are same, but the atomic mass is different. So where is the difference? In case of atomic mass, number of protons are same everywhere. Here is 1, here is 1, here is 1. So what is the difference between that isotope? There is a number of neutrons are different. In case of isotope, number of neutrons are different. That is the difference. That is the difference. Protons are same, electrons are same, because atomic number is same. So that in case of atomic mass also we can say 1, 1, 1 proton, but where it is different, where these are different. In case of neutron, we can say these are different. Yes. So here neutron varies in magnitude. Neutron varies in magnitude in case of isotopes. That is very much important property. Neutrons are different in magnitude. So note down all that things. We will see another example also here. Instead of hydrogen, another example we will learn here. So next example we will see isotopes of chlorine. It is very well known. Chlorine is having atomic number. What is the atomic number of chlorine? 17. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. In both case, atomic number of chlorine is 17. Atomic number is same. Here chlorine, formula chlorine 17 and here 45, and the second isotope of chlorine is having mass number different and atomic number same. that is chlorine 17 and mass number is 47. So here we can see atomic numbers are same, that is 17, and mass number is different. For first isotope 45, then for the second 47. So we always consider average atomic mass of these two chlorine. If any container is having chlorine gas, means in that container both types of atoms are present. Some atoms may be chlorine 45, 17 and 45, and some atom may be of 17 and 47. दोनों भी टाइप के एटम्स कोई भी कंटेनर में होंगे जिसमें क्लोरीन फिलअप किया है. तो हम एटॉमिक मास कैसे कंसीडर करेंगे? तो इसका एवरेज मास कंसीडर किया जाता है. क्लोरीन का ऑलवेज एवरेज मास कंसीडर किया जाता है. सॉरी 35, वेरी सॉरी, इट इज 35. सो इन फर्स्ट केस 17 and 35, in second case 17 and 37. So what is the average atomic mass of chlorine? Ever we consider that is 35.5, that we consider always, because it is the average atomic mass of this chlorine. 35 atomic mass and 37 atomic mass. 35 और 37 का एवरेज कितना आता है? 35.5. and that atomic mass ever we consider, because in case of chlorine gas both atoms are present anywhere. So this point is very important. Note down that. And here how they are isotope? Because they are having same atomic number. Here we have written same atomic number, means protons are 17 and electrons are also 17. But the atomic mass is here 35 and here 37. Means 17 plus how many? 17 plus 18, and here 17 plus 20. 17 plus 20. What is that 18 and 20? This is the number. These are the number of neutrons. Protons are 17 in both case, but neutrons in first case, first chlorine atom 18, and in second, which is the isotope, that is 20. Neutrons are here 18 and 20. Means we can see everywhere number of neutrons varies in all cases. So that we can say here only number of neutrons are different. As atomic mass is different, still we are having same atomic number. That's why only neutrons are different in case of isotopes. Okay, so that is also very important. This example is also very important. Again the next example we will see, very common example, that is also very common example, that is carbon oxygen. At first we will see oxygen, example of oxygen. So oxygen and ozone. Ozone is a isotope of oxygen. Oxygen always we can write oxygen always O2, means it is diatomic. Means two atoms combine to form oxygen molecule. But ozone O3, three atoms are combined here. In case of ozone, three atoms are combined to form ozone. Here in case of oxygen O2, means two atoms are combined. That's why it is diatomic and it is triatomic. That is different. So formula is O. Here also formula O, but atomic number is, what is the atomic number? 8, and here mass number is 16, and here atomic number is 8 and mass number is 70. Yes, so these are the isotopes because atomic number is same. but the mass number is 16 here and mass number is 17 here. So here we can see atomic mass is 16, so that we can write here 8 number of protons plus 8 number of neutrons are present in case of oxygen. But in case of ozone, what will be here? 17 is the atomic mass is equal to 8 are proton plus 9 neutron. 9 neutron. So that we can say neutrons are different in magnitude here. Again atomic number is 8 here, same atomic number for ozone. So these were the examples, important example. Also we can write the carbon. Carbon is having also isotope. Carbon 666 atomic number, but mass number in first case 12 mass number, in second isotope 13 mass number, and in third isotope 14 mass number. Carbon 12 mass number, carbon with 13 mass number, carbon with 14 mass number. These are the isotopes of carbon. So this is very important. Now after that we will see the characteristics of isotope. It is very important. Ever you will get, write down the difference between isotopes and isobars. Then you can write the characteristic of isotopes and characteristics of isobar. These are the points for the difference between isotopes and isobar. So what are the characteristics that we will learn? So first characteristic we have seen here through the example, mass number is different. As the mass is different, the properties which are depending on the mass, that are also different. So which property of an atom is depend on mass? Density. What is density? Density is rho, that is density of any atom. Density का फॉर्मूला क्या है? Density is equal to mass upon volume. Mass upon volume. So as the density is related to mass, so that we can say each isotope is having different density. मतलब ऑक्सीजन और ओजोन की डेंसिटी क्या है? डिफरेंट है, बिकॉज mass of oxygen is different and mass of ozone is also different. That's why mass of oxygen or mass of ozone is different. That's why density also different, because density is nothing but mass by volume, m by v. That's why we can say this if the property is depend on the mass, then the property which is related to mass, that is different in case of isotopes. So this is one of the characteristics that we have discussed here. So characteristics of isotope. So what is the first characteristic we have to discuss? Same atomic number, same protons, same number of electrons. Same, that isotopes are having same, isotopes are having same. I am writing here in short due to lack of space here. So you have to write in complete sentence. Isotopes are having same atomic number, as well same number of protons, as well same number of electrons. Okay, this is the first characteristic. I will write on page in detail and that I will send to you. Then mass number is different. Mass number is different for isotope. Mass number is different. Mass number is different. Yes, means A is different. Here Z is different. Z is same, but A is different. Third point. What is the third point? Different number of neutrons that we have seen through the example. Isotopes are having different number of neutrons. Isotopes are having different number of neutrons. Yes, as the mass number is different number of neutrons are present. Then fourth, it is very important property. Properties depend on mass are different. Properties which are depend. Properties which depends on mass are different. Example, density. Rho means density. I will write directly density. Density is equal to mass by volume. Yes. Then the next characteristic is similar chemical property. As the atomic number is same, there must be electronic configuration same, है ना? एटॉमिक नंबर यदि सेम है तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन भी सेम होगा, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन भी सेम होगा. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सेम है तो कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी भी सेम होगी, मतलब वैलेंसी भी सेम होगी. मतलब वैलेंसी यदि यहाँ पर सेम है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वैलेंसी सेम है तो एटॉम सेम होते हैं, बट कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी और द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन शुड बी सेम. If the atomic number is same, there should be electronic configuration same. That's why if the electronic configuration is same, the chemical property should be same. So that is the very important property. Isotopes are have similar isotopes exhibits or show similar chemical properties. Write in bracket, it is due to same electronic configuration. Electronic configuration means distribution. Configuration. Yes, electronic CONFIGURATION, that is electronic configuration. Due to same electronic configuration, isotopes exhibit similar chemical properties. So these were the characteristics of isotopes. The first characteristic is they are having same atomic number, that is Z is same, means the number of protons are same, number of electrons are also same. Second characteristic is mass number of isotopes are different. Isotopes are having different mass number, that is A is different here. Then the third one, isotopes are having different number of neutrons. Yes. Then the fourth properties which depends on mass are different. As like density, it is depend on mass, that is mass by volume. Then the fifth property is isotopes exhibit similar chemical properties. and it is due to same electronic configuration. Okay, so these were the characteristics of isotope. Note down all that. These are very much important for writing difference also, or for knowing the what are isotopes. So again we can write here as example. What are the example? Hydrogen, deuterium and tritium. Hydrogen, deuterium and tritium having atomic number 1, mass number 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. This is the example of hydrogen, deuterium and tritium. These are the isotopes. And you can also draw the electronic configuration as like in nucleus only one proton, P is equal to 1, neutron is equal to 0, and here only one electron accommodated in the orbit, as the number of electron is 1 here. In case of deuterium, proton 1 but neutron also 1, as the mass number is 2. So proton is 1, neutron is 1. Again number of electrons are 1 here. In case of tritium, in nucleus, proton is 1, as all neutron are 2 here. Yes, neutron are 2, because A is equal to 3 and P is equal to 1. So A is equal to what is A is equal to proton plus neutron. That's why. So one electron is in first orbit. So this is the these are the electronic configuration of hydrogen, deuterium and tritium. Yes. So here is the difference. We can see very clear. No neutron, 0 neutron, 1 neutron, as the mass number is 2. Here 1 proton and 2 neutron, as the mass number is 3. So write down all that things, and this is the these are the all characteristics of isotopes. These are very important. Again I am telling, read this topic from your textbook also, and note down all the running notes and all that points in your notebook, and prepare this topic very well. Okay, thank you.